Select the environment to keep the scale free from vibration, temperature extremes or highly corrosive condition. Make sure that all the 4 feet are full contact with the floor. Adjust the leveling feet by rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise direction to get the level indicator exactly at the center. Fix the pan holder onto the top of the scale and mount the SS pan on pan holder. Connect the battery by removing the battery cover at the back side of the scale. Remove the battery cover. Here you see the battery clamp and the battery lock. Remove the battery clamp by using the screwdriver. Remove the clamp first. Connect the battery point. After connecting, you will find this plastic